Welcome back to All Around the World. In Chennai, Nivar cyclone is going on. Let us have a ride on the road. How the cyclone is. Let us see. Come with me.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. See your energy and bless them both in mine. You know you set me there while I was passing by. Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you anytime. And on my eye, goes down. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Say, kiss on me, kiss on me, kiss on me. Never seen anybody do that.
Traffic is very less, but uh, what is that? Climate is looking like blackish clouds and all. Atmosphere also black. Now it's almost 2 p.m. We are not able to see the the vehicle what is going on in the front. You switch on the headlight. It's getting little severe, but not feeling that much fear in our mind. We are thinking about the 2014-15 flood. So always Chennaites will feel that flood will come or not. It's like that. So to try little carefully, not able to see what is in the front. Oh, vision is totally went. Road full water, and there is we can't see anything in front. It's like mist, fog, like that. I can see the wiper. Nice feeling actually. Little risky, but I love to drive in the rainy season, rainy day. In the rain, it's good, but nobody should come out because it is little. It's becoming little heavy by hours going. I just came out because I want to see how it is, how this cyclone, what's the effect, how much effect it is having, and how it is affecting to the public. Let us see. Like that, I came out, but much people are not on the road, not able to see the road also. Nice song is in the FM, but copyright we will get, so I can't make it here to you. I'm enjoying the song and driving. I'm going very slow. You people take care of the speed of your vehicle. Because of the bridge here, that much rainfall we are not feeling, but rain is there. We are able to see the signals and all. Whatever rainy, whatever sunny or winter, climate is always beautiful. The mixture of black, green, red, orange. Oh, how fast he is going. It's not good actually. In this type of climate, please take care of your driving. Go very slow. Nothing will, we will not lose anything. We are not going to gain anything with 10 minutes or 20 minutes or something like that. Go little slower. We can drive fast when we are getting a good chance on the road and good climate or something like that. Here it's little traffic areas, but not much traffic. Road is clear. Nice feeling actually. But don't come outside, please stay in home. Take care, extra care. I actually came out for buying some milk and some emergency thing, bread and all, but I didn't see any shop. And at the same time, I want to see how the climate is, how the cyclone is actually, what the fuel and all we are remembering. I just want to know what is happening in the in the world. I want the earth. I like to see the climate changes really. Flood should not come. That much fear people are having, I don't know. I didn't get any information like that. But when it is starting rain like this, till this range it is okay. After this, the rain is continuing for 1 or 2 days. Definitely, people will become scary. We will remember the flood what we saw in 2014 and 15. Actually, I lost my car at that time. Car means it's totally damaged. First floor of my house totally flooded. In this, what is okay? Actually, I'm very sad to see the what you call narrow roads and all. So people are keeping some waste on the road. I don't know when people will learn a lesson after this corona or whatever is happening. People will not learn a lesson. Camera. Rain is becoming little heavy. If you know driving very well and if you can control your vehicle in your hand, you can come out for seeing this climate. Otherwise, please stay in home. Take care of yourself. You can see here the thunder sound and all. I think it will become little heavier. Let us hope another flood will not face by Chennai. Chennai's problem, when once rain is there, what is happening? There is no facility of drainage. Drainage problem is a big issue we are facing. And water is there, it will stagnate on the ground. It will not go inside because of the muddy soil. So these roads are very narrow. It's looking beautiful, that tree. Oh. See, here also waste, lot of waste on this road. I don't know when people will learn. This place and all filled with water. Take care, please stay in home, don't come out, because COVID also there is in this less degree of temperature, COVID will increase. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Support. Thank you for your support. Bye bye. Take care.